What's the cheapest way to clear a minefield then? 22 kids and a football.
Heard about the landmine victim that had blue eyes? One blue this way, one blue that way.
Well, what goes? Hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip, bang. A girl played hopscotch in a minefield.
Oh, yeah.
Every year, over 26,000 people are maimed or killed by landmines, senselessly. It's a sick joke. The Mines Advisory Group clears both mines and unexploded bombs, but we're desperately short of money. Please call us on 0800 0723 999 and give whatever you can. The sickest joke is not clearing landmines.